Hey there, hope you are doing well. So today I'm gonna show you the performance test between Laravel and Laravel with PHP FPM. Also, we have two other high performance competitor. One is Octane with Soul, another is Hypervel. This is actually the new framework that is port of Laravel, but with coroutine support using Soul, and it's saying this is the fastest framework. So let's see how we get how much we get the difference. So here you can see I have Excel sheet that is main Laravel and PHP FPM with Laravel. This is Octane with Soul, and this is the new framework that I will show you. So let's see. First of all, let's see the main PHP core PHP that is we use that we get using PassHerb, PHP artisan serve, and I'm using dash q because I don't want to see any response, any message here. This is quiet mode, so it's here, and let's test. I'm using 8 thread 100 concurrent uh, request and 10 second because we don't need much. Let's see. Also, this is on Node mode, so I installed using Composer Node. So let's see how much we get. Also, we will note that in the Excel sheet. So here you can see it's 89.8. So I note that, and also let's use the FPM version. For that we can't use the this URL. For that we have to use Volt. So let's configure that behind the scene. So let me paste the Volt URL here. Okay, I think we can use this and just replace with the Volt URL. So also we can use HTTPS using Volt. This is very simple. So let's run the test and see the result. This is the Volt PHP FPM version using Volt. So this is like a production version that you will get using PHP FPM by default with Nginx. So here is the performance we will get. It's 400, almost 500. So let's note that. And next we have Octane. So I also installed Octane in the same project. Let me uh, stop the Volt server. Volt stop, and we have to open the server using Octane. So let's open. You can't use Hypervel in the Laravel. It's a different Laravel port, so that is a different thing. I think it's only Laravel 11 or 10. So it's now stopped, and I'm opening Octane start. So it's I'm getting the response. Yeah, it's working on my other monitor. Let's open the same. It's on port 8000. Okay. Also, the session is using Redis. So you have to remember that it's using Redis for the session. That is a little bit faster, and I recommend use session and other thing with Redis. You will get better performance. And here you can see it's almost 1100. So this is not bad because previously you get half. I think we should get better using Laravel Octane, but I don't know why. Let's test again and see the performance. Also, let's pull that up, and it's same average. I don't know why, but it should get a little bit better. It should get 200 2000, like 2000, but it's not going up. I'm not sure why, but please PRTison optimized. Let's run this and do this again. Okay, I forgot to open. Okay, no. Yeah, this is the this is Octane version of Laravel. Yeah, you can see this time we get little bit better. I think this is not the accurate one. It should get like 2000. That is the actual number I got previously when I was not recording. And let's see the new framework that is similar, almost similar to Laravel, ported to Laravel using a HyperF framework that is using Soul. Let's go to the Hypervel. This is the framework. This file structure and everything is same as Laravel, so it's also same. Just you have to run. Yeah, here you can see it's opening menu worker, and it don't need any optimization. It works as default. And if I run this again, let me check in the, yeah, it's working fine. And if I open this, run the test again, let's see the difference. It's not using any database, any session, it's not using any thing like that, no cache, just pure. And here you can see it's 42,000. I got around 65,000 around previously when I was not recording. I think my system is using some resource and other browser. Let me uh, check the composer. No dev. Let me verify that. And yeah, it's also already generated, also optimized, already optimized. And let's run this again. You will get the idea. It's significantly faster compared to the Octane and the other option we already have. It's similar to Laravel, core Laravel. um, you may get some fewer feature. I think some new feature will be not supported in this port, because it's behind all, it will be always behind the official Laravel package. But you will get the significant performance boost if you use this. Let's run that again. Also we have a watch mode that when you will, it will use when you uh, build the app. That will be helpful, that will hot reload your app. Let's run this again. I'm not make this bigger because I don't want to make the video very long, so only 10 second is okay, I think, for now. It's getting worse, I think. We may run I think my system is getting heavier because of the video. You will get around, yeah, you can see it's again bigger number. So let me show you the different. Here is the my on my secondary screen. I Let me show you. Here is the keynote. Core Laravel with PHP Artisan Serve, you can get 89, and using FPM you can get around 500, and using Octane you can get around 2000. I think in this benchmark it is showing bit low, but you will get around 2000 if you use Octane with Soul. But if you use the new Hypervel port of Laravel, you can get around uh, around like this amount, I think, get 1500. It's huge, I think, like 20x. You will get this if you just port your application to the new framework, or build top of the new Hypervel. Let me show you the new framework, Hypervel. I think I missed the spelling. It should be Phil. Yeah, you can see it's 8 hour ago on Laravel News, and that's why I got it. And if you go to here, this is the framework. And if I show you the directory structure, is it's same as Laravel. Also, let me open the file structure in my VS Code. Let me show you it's opening. It's same as Laravel. Here you can see it's same as Laravel, but you can use you have to use this as a standalone package. standalone alternative to Laravel. I think it's getting stuck here. No problem. Okay, here you can see, I can show you everything is similar to Laravel, just everything is also here. Maybe have some different from Laravel because this is not exactly Laravel, it's a port. So you have to understand, based on your use case you can use this as a reference which one you should use. That's all.